students, we are going to learn History, chapter number 9, the Maratha War of Independence. Yesterday, we learned about Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. Today, we are going to learn Rajaram Maharaj lives for Jinji. On 5th April 1689, Rajaram Maharaj escaped from the besieged Raigad with few of his associates. Associates means here friends. He decided to go to south to the Jinji. The Jinji fort was invincible. It was not an easy task means here work, for the Mughals to capture this fort. Rajaram Maharaj took his faithful Sardars like Prahlad, Niraji, Khando Ballal, Rupaji Bhosle and managed to reach Jinji. The movement of the Marathas. It was difficult to defend the Raigad fort against the might of the Mughals. The Mughals recaptured Raigad in November 1689 and arrested Maharani Yesubai and Shahu. While going to Jinji, Rajaram Maharaj had assigned the duty to fight against the Mughals to Ramchandra Pant Amatya, Shankarji Narayan Sachiv, Santaji Ghorpade and Dhanaji Jadhav. Aurangzeb had enticed many Maratha Sardar to his side by giving them watans and jagirs. The same tactics were used by Raja Ramar to thwart the Mughals' plan. Many Maratha Sardars who were promised jagirs fought with vigor and defeated Mughal generals. They harassed the Mughals' army by guerrilla tactics. Santaji Ghorpade and Vithoji Chavan cut and carried away the golden pinnacle of the emperor's tent in a surprise attack. Siege of Jinji. Zulfikar Khan laid siege to Jinji fort. The Marathas defended the fort for nearly 8 years. Rajaram Maharaj escaped from Jinji and returned to Maharashtra. The return of Rajaram Maharaj gave a boost to the Marathas. They attacked Mughal territories of Khandesh, Warhat and Baglan. He motivated many Maratha warriors to protect the Swaraj. After a short illness, Rajaram Maharaj died at Sinhagad on 2nd March 1700. Estimate of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. Rajaram Maharaj provided leadership to the Marathas in fight against Aurangzeb for 11 years under very difficult circumstances. Circumstances means surrounding. He managed to untie Maratha Sardars by his kind nature. He was a level-headed person. Maharani Tarabai. Maharani Tarabai, the capable wife of Rajaram Maharaj, came forward to lead off the Maratha War of Independence. And she came front to fight against the Mughals. Contemporary Mughal historians Khafi Khan describe her as an intelligent and knowledgeable woman. The Marathas went deep inside the Mughal territory outside Maharashtra, in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Malwa. She fought for 7 years and kept the Maratha kingdom strong. The death of Aurangzeb in 1707 at Ahmednagar marked the end of the Maratha War of Independence, wherein they emerged victorious. They occupied the vacuum in the political arena during the 18th century, described as on the century of the Marathas.